8 Sleep Pod Pro pricing explained what you get for your money. Sleep tech has exploded in recent years, and the 8 Sleep Pod Pro might be one of the most advanced systems out there. But with a high price tag, many wonder, is it really worth it? Let's find out. The 8 Sleep Pod Pro starts at around $0 for the mattress cover alone, or $0 for the full mattress system. That's a big investment, but here's the surprising truth: this isn't just a mattress. It's a smart sleep environment that actively regulates your temperature, tracks your sleep, and even helps you recover better. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just about comfort. But the Pod Pro uses advanced sensors and thermoregulation to improve deep sleep and recovery. The bed adjusts temperature throughout the night, keeping you cool during REM sleep and warm as you wake up. It also tracks heart rate, respiratory rate, and sleep stages, sending all your data to the 8 Sleep app. You can view detailed insights and even get personalized recovery tips. So, what do you get for your money? High-tech system that merges sleep tracking, temperature control, and health optimization all in one bed. For athletes, professionals, or anyone serious about performance, the 8 Sleep Pod Pro turns your bed into a wellness hub.